going on, killers? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a break from Dark Horse over here, and I am going to do a health and wellness check and a couple little odds and ends to Kitty Twister out there. I don't have any room in here, so I'm going to have to do it out in the driveway. It is a little chilly, a little windy, but it's not wet and the sun's shining. So soak up some vitamin D, something I've been meaning to do anyway. Tomorrow is Street Wars. It's an event held at Cecil. I think they have it like twice a year. The name pretty much suits the event. It is a douchebag event. I'm not gonna lie to you. They have like a rev battle, two-step battle, stuff like that. But racing's racing, and since the little incident that I had to go through, I haven't had been getting much love on the street, so got to do what I can do, right? I got to get it in. I got to get some drive time in before Ford takeover anyway. So by the way, I hope to see you guys there at Ford takeover. It's gonna be pretty badass. But I'm gonna do a health and wellness check. Check the plugs, check the oil, check the fluids. I'm not gonna torque down the lug nuts just yet. I'm actually probably gonna put the poverty pack on there, the SV drag wheels, just to shed some weight. I have BMR radiator support that deletes this front sway bar. It is a street car, and I love that car. I love my 14. My 14 GT is just nothing short of amazing. But I want to take the front sway bar off. I've driven one without the front sway bar, and I didn't really even notice a difference. And it had skinnies on the front. I took it around a couple of exit ramps, drove it on the interstate. I didn't notice a huge difference. It felt just like my car does with the sway bar and skinnies. So I don't see why I wouldn't want to, shed that. You figured the BMR bracket's going to save me 10 pounds, and then whatever the sway bar weighs. So I would say a good 20 pounds, and that's on the conservative side. So let's just get to it. Oh, there she is. God, I love this car. Needs a bath. Some disrespectful bird shit on my car. God bless. Act like I know how to do this. Here, we'll do something really cool. Some cinematics. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that oil still looks brand new. So nice. So cool having a newer hot rod. You gotta worry about all them problems. Gotta get underneath here and clean this up. I have all kinds of chemical guys products. But the weather is finally just now breaking. It's supposed to be in the 60s. Hit or miss with some rain. Get out here and shine old baby up. Check the catch can. A little bit of goop in there. Check them out. 150 shot of nitrous. Look like they're brand new. Freaking amazing. Which, by the way, tomorrow we cannot run nitrous. I have to follow all the sissy rules, and I don't fit the rules for nitrous. So, running 93 on this basic bitch tune, and the weight savings. You know, I'm just going to take the back seat and the spare tire out. I mean, it's probably going to run average. I'm just going to go for the 1150 index and hope for the best. There's the SVE littles. There's the 20s. One of those equals both of those in weight. Believe me. Alright, now I gotta get to work on this damn thing. Okay, so here I am, laying underneath my car in the driveway, talking to you guys. Been procrastinating. People won't stop calling me and stopping by. So anyway, let's take a look here. We all know what this is. It's that stupid plastic pain in the ass. I gotta take the Z-brace off. And this heavy pressed steel is what we're taking off. Alright, so there's the factory radiator support. Here's the BMR radiator support. I already put the new yeah. They're definitely not new. I just took the ones off of that one and put it on the BMR. And there's the sway bar. I don't have a scale, and I'm not gonna go try to find one, but I guarantee you that this is. I put a conservative number of 20. I'm just gonna go ahead and say 30 because that is heavy, and this is feather light. Between that and ditching the 20s for the front runners, I'm probably gonna say I've shed 60 pounds off the front, and like I said, I give conservative numbers. I'm not trying to and I'm also not reinventing the wheel. I'm sure somebody else has done the same package, but I'm running low on daylight, guys. I gotta hurry up and get this done before it gets dark. I really don't feel like dragging drop lights out, and I want to take the car for a couple test hits. So hang around for a sec. Let me get this button back up, and we'll take some cruising.